Hi there, it's Jeremy from Cashtown Farms. We're at the Outdoor Farm Show here today. It's a beautiful sunny day. Just wanted to feature the 6430 Premium that we have for sale with 2,490 hours. Found it actually from a gentleman we'd sold an excavator to a couple years ago, and he unfortunately passed away, and we ended up buying the equipment back off the estate. So it's a 6430 Premium, 24-speed power quad with the H340 loader, and it's here for sale at the show. Looking forward to seeing people here at our booth.